Hey, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In front of me I have OnePlus Pad Go 2. In this video I will show you how to use Smart Sidebar for quick access on this device. So let's start by opening settings and now scroll down to section accessibility and convenience, and from here you will find Smart Sidebar. So first of all, of course, enable Smart Sidebar, and now let's customize it a little bit. So immediately after I enable Smart Sidebar, you can see this little handler that appears on the right edge of my screen, and that is basically your Smart Sidebar. So if you tap floating bar, you can adjust different aspects of your Smart Sidebar. So you can adjust its size, transparency. As you can see, it changes up or down its position, and you can decide on which side you want to display your Smart Sidebar, left or right. Let's go back and let's select sidebar style. It could be one column or two columns, it's completely up to you. Okay, I will go with two columns. Additionally, you can enable file dock. I will show you later what is it basically. And additionally, you can enable show up names. Okay, so now basically how to use this Smart Sidebar. First of all, let's open the Smart Sidebar. You can go to all section and you can tap any application from sidebar to open it as floating window. You can drag it around by long pressing those three dot buttons, or you can drag those corners to adjust the size of this floating window. Okay, and basically with the file dock, in your gallery, for example, you want to long press the photo, and now you want to save it to your file dock like this, and it will stay there, allowing you to open this photo in, for example, some messaging application, in email, or let me show you on notes example. So I need to open file dock, tap on file dock, and here select the photo. No, you want to long press and then drag it where you want. It will download itself. So this is how it works. And I feel like that's all from my part for Smart Sidebar for today. I really hope that this video helps you. If so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.